Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another drone view of Switzerland. Yes, I'm on top of the car again and that's where the takeoff will begin today. But before we take off, check out this new intro. So guys, I need your honest feedback. Should I keep it or should I throw it away? Let me know in the comment section and I'll do as you wish. All right, let's get into it. So here I'm just lifting the drone a little bit higher so you can get a better view of the mountains in the back. So if you look up to the sky, just below the sky, I hope you can see it very well. That's the Swiss Alps, well, a part of it. So I'm going to read something here I found on Wikipedia. The view is beautiful, but I know you guys will appreciate a bit of information, right? Okay, I know I'm not going crazy. So, the Alpine region of Switzerland, conventionally referred to as the Swiss Alps, represents a major natural feature of the country and is, along with the Swiss Plateau and the Swiss portion of the Jura Mountains, one of its three main physiographic regions. So if you've watched the drone shot from last Monday, you would have heard me talk about the N71, which is the same road you're seeing in this shot. It is the N71 and this leads to Amersfoort. The reason why I mentioned that is because we're just outside Amersfoort, and although the mountains look very close, almost like you can touch them, they're quite still some distance away. I would say about 60 kilometers away from where we are right now. When I say 60 kilometers, I mean 60 kilometers to where we are going. So we were heading out to Toggenburg, which is a really nice place for hiking and skiing. It's very beautiful. If you should ever visit Switzerland, Toggenburg is very reachable. And for all my short-term visitors, it will take you roughly 2 hours from Zurich with the train. You're gonna take the RJX train, which is operated by the Austrian, to Buch St. Gallen. From Buch St. Gallen, you wanna go up to Unterwasser, and then you walk a little bit up to Toggenburg. The village is called Wildhausen, and yeah, you should have a beautiful time when you get there. It's just for the people who are here for short trips and you really want to see Switzerland. Train is always available. So here's something interesting, guys. So the northern range of the Alps, from Bernese Alps to the Appenzeller Alps, are entirely in Switzerland, right? The southern Swiss Alps ranges from the Mont Blanc Massif to the Bernida Massif. And those sides, the southern side, are shared by France, Italy, Austria, and Liechtenstein. So that's it for now, guys. There's not much more to see in this footage apart from me trying to land this drone and messing around with the kids. So if you want to see that, you can stick around a little bit and watch that. But that's it for now. The area where we are is just outside of Amersfoort, and it was an amazing view of the Swiss Alps, the southern side of the Swiss Alps. So I hope you enjoy it, hope you've learned something new, and until next time, see you in another drone view somewhere around Switzerland.